Hey everyone, it's V from Hair Queen LA. Welcome to our June newsletter. In case you're new here, at the beginning of every month we post a video newsletter for all of our Hair Queen LA babes. And in this newsletter we'll be giving you updates regarding the operating hours, upcoming collections, new inventory, and all of the great things that are happening here at Hair Queen LA. Let's get into it. Hair Queen LA is now offering one-on-one master classes in various skills, including wig installs, makeup application, hair business, and more. Earn your certification and learn from some of the best in the business. Visit hairqueenla.com/collections/classes for more info. You can now pay in-store at Hair Queen LA using Klarna. Klarna gives you more time to pay for the things you love by splitting your purchase into 4 interest-free payments. Let your sales associate know that you would like to check out using Klarna and get approved in seconds right from your phone. Hair Queen LA is now offering luxury wig rentals for photo shoots, events, and more. Choose from a large selection of our glueless 100% human hair units. Rates start at only $200 a day. For more information about our rental program, visit us in store at 5363 Wilshire Boulevard or call us at 323-327-5052. Lastly, we're going to announce our Client of the Month. Every month, we like to highlight a special client who stood out to the Hair Queen LA team. The winner is chosen based on how frequently they visit the salon and how often they engage with us on social media through comments, tags, likes, and shares. They'll receive a $1,500 credit that will be valid to use until the end of the month. And the Client of the Month for June is Sexxydaniella. Congratulations, you'll be contacted via DM for more information. Leave us a comment below and let us know why you think you deserve to be the next Client of the Month. Thank you all for tuning in. We look forward to interacting with all of our Hair Queen LA babes this month. And before I sign off, make sure you subscribe and turn on our post notifications so you never miss a video. And if you're excited about what's coming up this month at Hair Queen LA, hit that like button and share this video with a friend. We'll see you next time. Bye.